In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country location in ExpressVPN. Changing your virtual location is useful when you want more privacy online, get around local network restrictions, or access content libraries from a different region. ExpressVPN has servers in many countries, so the process is quick once you know where everything is inside the app. To begin, open the ExpressVPN app on your computer, phone, or streaming device. If you're not already signed in, log in using your account credentials or activation code so you can access the main dashboard. If the VPN is already connected, go ahead and click the large power button once to disconnect first. This is important because ExpressVPN normally requires you to pause the current connection before switching to a different server location. Next, look just below the main power button. You'll see the current location field, which may say something like Smart Location. On the right side of that row, click the three horizontal dots, or simply click the location field itself. This opens the VPN locations window, which is where ExpressVPN keeps its full server directory. Inside that window, you'll notice a few different tabs. The recommended tab shows locations that are usually fast and nearby. The All Locations tab gives you the full list of available regions and countries. You can also use the Recent tab if you've connected to a location before and want to return to it quickly. These categories make it easier to find the server you need without cluttering the main screen. Now choose your target country. At the top of the VPN locations window, click into the search bar and type the country or city you want to use. If that country has multiple server options, click the small arrow next to its name to expand the list and view the available cities. Once you find the location you want, double-click it. The locations window should close automatically, and the app will begin preparing that server as your selected route. After that, return to the main ExpressVPN screen and click the large power button once more to activate the VPN tunnel. Wait a few seconds while the app connects. When the interface turns green, that means your traffic is now being routed securely through the new location you selected. As a final check, open a private or incognito browser window. Then visit the ExpressVPN IP check page and confirm that the displayed IP address and location match the country or city you chose. Also review the DNS and WebRTC results to make sure your original location isn't being exposed. Once everything matches, your country change is complete and your connection is ready to use.